Mama wakwaba aha eye GCN page so midin ede Awoa searching and then the kanya we dey ehwe me a mesro na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia be on so we be notification and sa the news ede betum ya we nya bi atie ana sa we nya bi ahwe e wo GCN page ha NPP communicators ni bi enomo ekase no mo nsem omo kenina ne se eye Awoa Safo a oye MP de makwabrenya Wamana His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Ekufu Ado. Ne government aye unpopular. Ghana Fubi aid His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Ekufu Ado attempt for no reason. Chese wamana manfu aid Nanado attempt pa enya semketo akra titru pa ene yi levy NPP for omode aba se Ghana yentu attacks wo momo so se ne be sika beba online mu na omode abo oman no ho ebra no eya de ade nsem bebre aba ni nyina ejina eye honorable Awoa Safo ne so because our parliament house and also we Ghana hanom and our parliament house and na eye NPP for omo majority no ACP esita anka yi levy e ba ya omo kan ho asem kakra anka omo e buy and I say omo to aba e support ya anka sisi nka bibia adedin na esan say Awoa Safo waje leave akwakotena abrochiri mem na NPP for omo majority no eso atinti no enya de a yi levy e buy e sheda eye Becos inti amana na Nado ni government aye unpopular and afenso Ghana fo bebre edi His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Ekufu Ado atem na adofo ye beka ya Awoa Safo eye MP de ma kwabrenya na osanso eye minister wo Ghana hanom na emre kakre Awoa Safo ednani echiremu wo abrochiri memu na Awoa Safo beba endo beba echina obeba him omba 1 year ni onko parliament house da eya dia eha NPP for pa enya semketo akra na Andre Awoa Safo the statement aba out o kire say ne baba ko yare wo US ntina otene ho ontumi nja ne ba ho ma metina parliament house adwuma no ontumi ye ntino o US o hwe ne ba ntine dia manfo ken bi ono wate odobi ase but impremprem ne de o US o bone ba ho bra nti parliament house ne de eyade a obeba nti Ghana fo yen kan yakoma emfanto yenyem na eno na Oman FM omudwumede be watu ne din the boiling point so eno mo ye discussion ya ebeto odwa omo echese Awoa Safo amana Nanado ne ho ache ne papa na yenti ensema omode etudwa
kofote ne kache na ene wakasa unse yese
I will return. As you know, my son has been unwell, and that is why I had to come here to the United States to, be the mother and the best mother that I could be. And I'm still here, making sure that all that is settled with him and all the authorities and the school, and it's still ongoing. I've been a deputy leader of Ghana's parliament, and I know the rules, and I know that the Privileges Committee wants me to be in parliament. But as we speak, I don't know that I've been invited. I have to be served, and I'm not aware that any such thing has been given to me. As you can see, I'm here in the United States, and I don't know that I was supposed to. If the speaker says that you've been referred, the committee has to sit and have its own modalities of how we're going to appear, when and how I lead and serve the people of Domikwabenya. And I've done that for the past 12 years, and I know exactly what my responsibilities are. And I'm definitely going to do that. But as you know, my son is unwell, and he has to transition to school. And as a mother, I have to ensure that all that is settled before I can resume my duties. And that's exactly what I'm doing.
Of our voice, no, moment for copyright into so intellectual property. Moon will mommy forever. Condoleezza Rice, Anna.
And answer Nancy Pelosi.
Be a beer. Hey! Nina say.
And the Hajalima ba me
Dabi.
Hajalima. Ghana ambassador to the US. Oba me na me men.
Dabunti me wakasa wonti. Hey, ofa.
Oba me to me men.
But ofa see.
And the comedy.
Yes. Ofa mesre o mampanyin. Adwasa fo da so ho no ho. Ne ba ho mfa no. Sisa no waka. Na me mpeso benya divided attention. Nyame adom e chena man panyin ntwo ne saklete ma no. This was the first time make us ask movie. Offer adwasa for almost 1 year no nko adwuma da wo. Hwe 2021 ebra you gina hen e de abeba to abonten say adwasa for ko leave no. Na ye October 3rd. Na ye say ni leave or returning from leave no 31st August 2021. That time by 3 months earlier no one kwa adwuma. Of a part me nim anyway be I say party mu ayintra. But crime ma adwa Safo a committee against the party and the government no. The list yeah with my yen say obeji the post free nisem. Budget amu ye 2021. Muka asem beji e-levy from 1st February. Mutimi ji e-levy da ben. 1st May. 8 February, March, April, 2 months na manyi e-levy no. And because Adwasafo decided say one ma parliament in tea and asade ne baso. Now almost 1 year, I'm still on government payroll as minister. We must find out. Nyame adba chese ko busemu. Of a name bu hono ma. They must say it as it is.
As you know, I will set up a committee to look through this.
What is this?
Set up a committee to look through.
Of a cabinet meeting. I could take a decision.
You mean meeting?
Meeting. Upon meetings. Say, I won't quite e-levy. We are where? Wama. Before then, won't quite government, and that is the truth. What the secretary say about bon cry? E-levy see the summer abai we are unpopular. It is because first day no mukwa na adwasa for amani. Yes sir, kasa bura ha ni na ofa kema.
Space security ma de no.
De ni na kema.
Nti ababla nkrofo kan samwa enim sam ya sam poton samwa ujitumanye ba na kan ba na fe kra de na mana be yes communicate ba we there for once. It wasn't a communication.
It was a communication issue
because time be elapse.
Yes.
Space.
It was about Adwasafo's inability, unavailability in parliament. That was the only issue. We committed serious crime against the party and the government. Say parliament na multi uniform ma o man panyi medwa da metoso. Change ma me no. And then kwara bu na bonten a wo ka do traffic light zoom na be ku ka ho bebrebe. Who is in charge? Obeka say no a friend say until you see osa wa this responsibility na sanitation on go pono akosi say you ma want to just get what
talking about minister almost supervising
the
establishment of 16 recycling plants in all the major say you can say yenya fertilizer and recycling plants in all the 16 yenra 3 days ni no enra agric minister a press conference afa ni produce organic fertilizer from all this anti her hands are full say fertilizer sika ya de craft fertilizer fi bia wo mamu no more than 600 million